I'm very happy. It's 6 months ago I won the latest tournament.
Yeah.
So it's a big relief to win again, and to win in Finland is quite nice because it's a big tournament and a lot of strong players is always playing this tournament. It was very important to be ready from the start.
Yeah.
Because he's a tricky player.
Yes.
And I know if I get a good start, I have a very good chance to win a little more easy than I normally do.
Yeah. Open.
Yeah, last year I lost first round.
Okay, so
that was not so good.
But you are now in better shape, or what is the reason?
No, last year I just played a very bad match in the first round, and this year maybe more motivation. I haven't been doing so well the couple of months, but yeah, more motivated, and I really like to win this tournament.
So the physical.
I'm going to Dutch Open in 2 weeks, and then I have in about 6 weeks I have Thomas Cup in India with the Danish team.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Yes, in India it's a little bit warmer than here in Finland.
Yeah,
I hope so.
A little bit better.
Yes, I hope
I'm sorry
so.
to say, but it has also been very nice here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice time here in Finland.